Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening. This is Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening a box of Digimon Double Diamond. So without further talking, let's dig right in. Apologies for the few weeks which were without voice, but unfortunately I was rather sick and you wouldn't want to have heard me. So we're getting some promos here. A Kiaromon, which I will leave in the packaging for now. And we also get a promo card for the celebration of the 1 year anniversary in Japan. 1 out of 10. Let's see what we get. And we get a Digimon, which is looking rather cool. I should also hold it into the camera so that you guys can see it as well. So let's leave that and get on to the boosters. So we have 24 packs in this box. Let's see what we can get. We have a Deltamon. We have a Ginkakumon, a Balkmon, Judgment of the Blade, Dragomon, Ornismon, Pinamon, Pukumon. We have Tai for the Tamer, and we have a Wyvern's Breath. Also, the player resource cards. On to the next one. Once again, I will add prices after the video. So yeah, if I don't sleeve anything expensive, my apologies. So we have an Eosmon, Murmurkusmon. Also, I'm probably butchering some of those pronunciations, I apologize. Chikurimon, Mistimon, Tsunomon. We have a Toropiamon, a Gandramon, which is looking fine, and a Systemon Blanc, which is also cool. On to the next one. So, Gisamon with Glaive Memory Boost. Strabimon, Gabumon, that's one I know, Pagumon, a Rebellimon, and another Wyvern's Breath. So out of curiosity, which pack, or rather which game would you like me to open next? Keep in mind there will be a little bit of a delay. But I'm interested which game you would like me to open more of. Maybe I'll also make a little survey to find that out. We have a Mistimon, Impmon, Pile Volcamon, a Entmon, and a Chessmon. That one I'm going to sleeve. On to the next pack. There's still plenty left. Let's see what we can get. A Gigadramon, Judgment of the Blade, Boogimon, Toy Agumon, a Arbormon, Acid Injection, a Ogramon, and a Gabumon, which is looking pretty fancy. So I'm also gonna sleeve that one. And on to the next pack. So not really looking for anything. We have an Eosmon, Kinkakumon, a Dragomon, another Arbomon, Babamon, Agumon, Rattlestar, and the Tamers with his sister, if I recall the series correctly. The grown-ups. See, I know a little bit about Digimon. I think I've watched like the first season of the original show. We have a Petal Dramon, a Tinkermon, a Mega Dramon, Tropical Venom, Impmon. We have a Gundramon and a Magna Kidmon. On to the next one. We have a Glaive memory boost, a Mammothmon, Eosmon, Babamon, I cannot pronounce that one, a Gewaltschwärmer, Izzy and Joe, a Rebellimon, and we are on to the next pack. We have a Parabolic Chunk, Gigadramon, Octomon, a Nanimon, a Deltamon, Fly Bullet, another Rebellimon, getting a lot of those, and an Alphamon, which is looking pretty sick. So let's also sleeve that one. And move on to the next pack. So, yeah, I'm not gonna pronounce that. A Tarpiomon, Tropical Venom. We have a Ginkakumon, a Blasted Disaster, Pagumon for the egg probably, yes. Machiramon, and a red Reamer. And we're already on to the next pack. Let's see what we can get. We have a Bulkmon, because the card is bulk. A Nanimon, a Ferrismon, a Strabimon, Deputymon, a Wizardmon. I also remember that one. That guy was cool. A Demimeramon for our egg, and a Cutting Edge and Mamimon for our rares. And on to the next one. I want all the shinies. We have a Reinforcing Memory Boost, a Bakumon, we have an Elecmon, Skull Mammothmon, a Pangiamon, Wizardmon again, a Pile Volcaemon, Wyvern's Breath, and a Titamon, which I will also sleeve. So, next one. We have a Judgment of the Blade, Forbidden Trident, Asuramon, a Parasaurmon, an Apemon, Gizamon, the German card again, a Mojiamon, a Gundramon, and a Gankumon, which I'm also going to sleeve up. Really nice. And like with previous videos, I'm sleeving up by rarity. not necessarily card value. So if some of the sleeved cards turn out to be garbage, value-wise of course only, yeah, they're still getting sleeved up. A Petal Dramon, we get an Octomon, I mean we by now know probably most of them, a Volcanomon, Pomemon, we have another Sister Mont Blanc, and an Iron Fisted Onslaught for our rares. On to the next pack, we start with an Eosmon, a Shoutmon, then we have a Goblimon, a Bauhackmon, another Pomemon, and we have a Morphomon and a Cutting Edge for our rares. And on to the next pack we go. We start off with a Big Mamemon, a Pangiamon, an Eosmon, then we have a Chikurimon, we have a Kiaromon for our egg, and we have a Magmon as our rare, and we have an Impmon. Oh, that's a really nice foiling effect. That's why I'm also gonna sleeve that one. I think I also remember this guy, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe I'll add a comment after I looked it up. On to the next pack, we start with Chunk, a Deputymon, a Tropical Venom, a Myrmicusmon, Bibimon for our egg, and then a really cool looking Ornismon, a Underworld's Call, and a Hackmon for our rare. And on to the next pack we go, where we start with a Mistymon, going into Big Mamemon, Eldra Demon? It's a dinosaur, so Demon probably makes more sense. We have a Forbidden Trident, a Tsunomon for our egg, a Savior Hackmon, Ogremon for I don't know how many time, and Entmon for our rare. Box is getting more and more empty. I think let's count them. 5 packs left, excluding this one. So let's see, a Ferrismon, another Bakumon, Mammothmon, we have Kiaromon for our egg, and Matt Ishida and Minoa Bellucci for our tamers. So on to the next pack we go. We have a Mega Dramon, Petal Dramon, Toy Agumon, Gabumon. We have a Pagumon for our egg. We have a Rattlestar for our rare, and we have a Skull Greymon, which I'm also going to sleeve. If I have the sleeve the right way, of course, then that would work way better. So on to the 4th pack of the 4 that are still there. That makes no sense. The first pack of the 4 that are still there. We have a Tinkermon, a Strabimon, a Gigadramon, Savior Hackmon, Tsunomon for our egg, yeah. An Ancient Troymon, yeah, definitely a Trojan horse, and a Pulsemon for our rares. Those are 2 new ones. That's cool. Haven't seen that before. So, a Digimon, a Modoki Betamon, Glaive Memory Boost, Skullmammothmon, a Babamon, Agumon, then we have a Magna Kidmon, and an Agumon, Bond of Bravery, which is also getting sleeved up. And on to the second to last pack. Can we get more shinies? We have a Ferrismon, Asuramon, Tropical Venom, a Mimicmon. I think we didn't have that one yet. Happy Bullet Showering, a Manticoremon, and a Sistermon Ciel for our rares. And we are on to the last pack. Those packs are really nice to open, by the way. We have a Tapirmon. We have another Toy Agumon, a Kinkakumon, Nanimon, a Mimicmon. And for our rares, we have a Magmon and Sora and Mimi for our tamers here. Wonderful. So, this has been another card opening. If you like this content, as you know, please leave a like and consider subscribing. It helps out the channel. Leave a comment down below to tell me which games you would like me to open next. And I will be seeing you at the next one.